What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to a video here on the channel. For today's video, I'm back with another stock talk video. For today's stock talk video, we're going to be talking about the stock of Microsoft and Activision and their big deal that they just announced. But this is my first video I've had in a while where I'm actually back at my setup. I am excited to be back. I'm excited to be making content. So if you guys are new here, don't forget to hit that follow button and like for more videos. So, to start things off, we are looking at the stock of Microsoft. This is the day after the announcement was made that Microsoft is going in on a major deal of $68.7 billion to buy out Activision Blizzard. Now, Activision Blizzard is one of the larger game creators out there that create a lot of your top AAA games. Not only that, but are big in the gaming world. Now, Microsoft is a large tech company. Now, there's a lot of rumors going around that Microsoft is buying out Activision, not only for the gaming space, but also for the Metaverse. So right now, we're looking at Microsoft as being up 3% of the day right now, trading at $312. Now, if we do pull back, we could tell that Microsoft is well off our highs around $350, and I think it's getting to be a good deal based on the way we see these recent pullbacks. Microsoft is a nice pullback right now, so this is a good deal range to buy into Microsoft. So if you're looking to potentially buy into Microsoft off this news, I think this is a good opportunity to do so. The stock hasn't rallied a whole bunch since this news was announced. If anything, it dipped yesterday. And if we head over to Activision, the chart is going to look a little wonky right now, so we'll zoom in on the past 5 days. And as you can see here, once the stock was announced, they're going to put it at a $93, I want to say, or $95 price point where the stock will be trading once the deal goes through for Activision. But you may be asking yourself, well, if it's going to be traded at an automatic at 93 or 95, wouldn't you call an $81 stock right now that's going to be eventually automatically 93 at a premium? Well, you could consider it to be a premium if the deal goes through. And that's a big concern a lot of people. The deal could happen anytime this year, and it could take a while. There could be many hurdles to jump over. There could be many changes in the deal itself. So far, this is an all-cash deal for $68.7 billion, making it the largest deal in the space since the tech industry collectively shifted its attention to the Metaverse in 2021. So there's a lot to be talking about with this deal. I'm personally excited for Microsoft to be buying out Activision. I hope this goes through. Now, looking at Activision as a stock, I love the stock of Activision. I think there's a lot of other competitors out in the gaming space, but I think Activision is definitely one of the top ones to keep watch for. Now, looking at Microsoft, you know that I'm long-term Microsoft. You know that we like Microsoft, and it's something that I think should be in your long-term investment portfolio. But moving over towards whether or not this is going to be towards more the gaming industry side of things or more of the Metaverse, there is a lot of information out there that says that Microsoft is also taking a big step into the Metaverse. Analysts say, referring to the emerging development of a three-dimensional virtual world where users produce, buy, and sell goods and services online within a self-contained digital world. The Metaverse, as you know, is an online digital world. Right now, we have Decentraland and the Sandbox and a couple other smaller ones, but Facebook is working towards building the big Metaverse and creating a platform where we are able to make money and do our everyday, day-to-day life type things through an online Metaverse, basically, an online virtual world. So, with Microsoft now getting involved into it, now we have Apple, we have Facebook, we have Microsoft, a lot of these big tech companies are getting involved into it. Something like the gaming industry, which is already taken off. There are games out there right now that you can play that actually earn you real life cryptocurrency and a type of currency. So there's a whole other side to this, not only the tech side of things, but the gaming world that companies like Activision Blizzard is really trying to get in on because of the fact that they're in the gaming industry. And right now, it's a very, very small, we're in our first stages of the Metaverse. So with the gaming industry taking off as it is, and with stocks like Activision Blizzard as well being a huge game developer, I think this is big news for not only the Metaverse, but big news for Microsoft and Activision going forward. This is a very, very good announcement that they made. Total cash deal, like I said, of $68.7 billion, which is a very, very large all-cash deal for this size of a company. Both companies are huge, but Microsoft being a large tech company, this is a great deal for not only Microsoft, but Activision. But guys, let me know what you think in the comments below. Right now, I'm thinking that Microsoft is a great buy in my opinion. Looking at Activision, I want to see what happens in the next coming weeks with this deal and where this goes moving forward. But guys, hopefully you enjoyed today's video. Definitely leave a like if you did. Subscribe for more content. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, everybody.